Once upon a time, the story begins in a very good manner, interesting manner. We can say it is like a fairy tale, as if the grandmother or any person, any old person, is telling a story to small children. That once there was a king, long time ago there was a king. In this way, we can say in the manner of fairy tale. So the beginning of the story is very attractive, very interesting. Once upon a time, there was a man. What is the name of a man? That is not given in the whole story. Who went around selling red threads of fire. This man was going around. And what he was doing? He was selling red threads of wire, which were made of wire. Rat trap is a kind of device to catch the rats or big mouse. In other words, you can say that a rat trap is a kind of cage for a big mouse to catch the big mouse. Okay, it is a kind of device that is called rat traps, which were made of wire. He made them. This person was making the rat traps himself. He made them himself at odd moments. Odd moments means free. Odd means here free. Free moment, free time. He was making the rat traps whenever he would free, in his free time. From the material he got by baking in the stores or at the big farms. And the material he was getting from the stores or big farms, and he was begging. That means his condition was not very good. He was begging from one store to another store, from one farm to another farm, and he was getting the material. Which type of material? Perhaps wire. It is written here. Wire and some other type of material. Okay, but even so, the business was not especially profitable. What was his business? He was the seller of rat traps, but his business was not going in a very smooth way. It was not very profitable. He was not earning a big amount from his business of selling rat traps. He was not getting benefit, and there was no any advantage. So he had to resort means shelter, to both begging and petty thievery, to keep body and soul together. To keep body and soul together means to live. So what he was doing, because his business was not going in a very smooth way, he was not getting profit from his business. So he was doing two things. It is written here. One, he was begging. Begging is the work of poor people. So he was doing this one, begging. This is one thing. Second thing, he started thievery. Thievery means stealing. Which type of thievery? Petty. Petty means small stealing. You can say petty means ordinary, trivial. There are many meanings of petty. So we can say he was doing small stealings, and he was also begging. And in this way, he was living his life. Even so, his clothes were in rags. Rags means torn. Now we can see here the physical description of rat trap seller. His clothes were in rags, means his clothes were torn. His cheeks were sunken. What? This sentence suggests that he was not getting enough food, and hunger gleams in his eyes. Gleamed means shine. In his eyes, any person could see hungerness. So this is about the rat trap seller. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond. This person was a vagabond. Vagabond means that person who has not a who cannot settle in the job, who has not a house to live. This type of person is called vagabond. So this person, the rat trap seller, was living the life of vagabond, and he was not happy with his life. His life is beyond the imagination. No one can imagine how sad. He was very, very sad, very, very unhappy, and monotonous. Monotonous means boring life. His life was very sad, very unhappy, and very boring, and he was living such life, the life of vagabond. Who plods? Plods means walk heavily along the road. He was walking with heavy steps on the road, left to his own meditation, and he was busy in his own thinking. Own meditations means he was pondering, he was thinking, his mind was engaged with his ideas, some thoughts. Which were those thoughts? He was thinking that the whole world is like a big rat trap, and all human beings are like the rats. These were some philosophical ideas, and his mind was busy in this type of philosophical ideas. After then, what happened? One dark evening, as he was trudging means walking. Now here we can see the turning point of the story. One dark evening, what happened? When he was walking on a road, because he was a vagabond, he was also a peddler. Peddler means that person who is going one place to another place to sell the things. That person is called peddler. So one dark evening, as he was trudging, as he was walking along the road, on the road, he caught sight of a little grey cottage. At that time, he had seen a cottage, grey cottage. So what is the meaning of cottage? Cottage means a kind of hut. Yeah, you can say kind of very small house. That is also called cottage. So he saw a cottage by the roadside, and he knocked on the door. Of that cottage to ask shelter for the night, because it was a dark evening. So he wanted the shelter, and that's why he knocked the door. The owner, who was an old man, the owner of that cottage was an old person without wife, and he was living a very lonely life. He was alone. He had no wife, without wife or child. He had also not any child. Was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. This old person became very happy because he was living a very lonely life, and he wanted some company, and he wanted to talk to remove his aloneness. This person, the rat trap seller, entered in the cottage, and the old person, the owner of that cottage, he put the porridge pot on fire. Now he was preparing some food for rat trap seller. He means here the old man, the owner of that cottage. He was giving and preparing some food like porridge pot, and gave him supper, and he gave the rat trap seller the food. So the old man had not only given the shelter, but he also gave food to rat trap seller. After then what happened, we will see in the next video.